Hi, Jochen here, the online agent. And in this section, I want to show you what if you don't have a funnel yet, what if you don't have anybody where you can clone it from, which I would once again highly recommend to do. I'll even give you mine. You can copy my funnels with pleasure and just, put in your pictures, your contact details, your property. But you don't have to reinvent the wheel. But in case you do want to create a new one, let me briefly share with you how that works as well. So earlier on, I already created a new funnel just by clicking Add New, and I had connected it to the domain from the domain provider. So now that funnel obviously is quite empty and there's nothing in there yet because it's brand new. There's a one-time setup that you need to do, but again, as everything in ClickFunnels, it's very, very easy. You don't need any technology experience or expertise. So the first thing to set up a brand new funnel is that you go to the checklist, the launch checklist, and you can choose the templates from here if you like, but you don't necessarily need to. You can also choose it in the actual funnel steps itself. Just check that the domain here is correctly, and yeah, pretty much this is okay already. Then we go to the first funnel step, which is the opt-in page. This can be your homepage, for example, which I will make it the homepage, and I create a few more pages for like the location and contact, etc. For my homepage, let me see what I will choose. One of the miscellaneous templates. You can get a preview what it would look like if you were to choose this template. If that's good for you, you can choose it. And if not, you can look at a different one. So I'll just take this one for demonstration purposes. So select template. Once you've done your first page, you can also save it as a template. So all your future ones will look the same, which makes sense. So you don't have to start from scratch every. It is applying the template to the funnel. Again, like when loading the funnel, the first things you would want to do is checking the settings. The name and domain is okay. I set it already. The path it doesn't look very nice, so make it look nice, right? So readable to the user. So I just choose the landmark here in this case. You obviously name it after your property that you are marketing. And for now, this is done. We will revisit this later after we have done up our ads. This is the place also where you plug in your conversion codes from Facebook and Google so they can track your website, the Facebook pixel. So then here under publishing, for each individual steps, you can also define the name of the page. So I call it homepage, and also the funnel steps, which is not visible to the user, but only you can just update it here. Then to edit your page, you can go here and just put in your pictures, your text, whatever you like. It's plug and play, no development, no IT coding, no designer required. It's something that is really, really easy. And I'm also not a tech person. The structure of ClickFunnels is basically that you see the blue ones are the lines where you can put in your name, property, or developer, or whatever you choose. The navigation up here. And the blue one is the line, which you can change here the settings, what you want. It's sort of like a Word file or whatever, or PowerPoint as well, right? So, and the orange ones are the individual elements in a line. If I just want to change the picture here, I will upload one picture of the property that is about to be marketed here. So let's say I choose which picture. This one here, the building picture itself. Right, this is the landmark. And there you go. Then I'm going to choose here the landmark. We make it a bit bigger and bolder. Here in the settings, you can control all that. So let's make the font size a bit bigger. You always have a preview over here. And so on, you just go and change whatever you want to change. The text, the pictures. You can have 3 sections here about the development, developer, and call to action. Call to action is really important, right? If you just give information, nobody will contact you. So you need to tell your clients to get in touch, and you can put a contact detail here. So I'm not gonna record all of the details of how I change this page, because then you're gonna get bored. But if you need help, just ask. And also ClickFunnels has a great support. I'm going to save it now and go back to the previous section. And later, once this particular funnel is more or less ready, I'll show you again what it looks like overall. But I'll spare the details in between, because it's just more of the same that keeps repeating, changing pictures, changing tags. So that's it for this section. If you need help, again, here is the under docs and get help. You can reach their support. They have great tutorials on the website as well that very easily teach you how to do everything step by step by step to make it easy even for the non-technical users. That's it for this module. I'll see you in the next one.